and Cooldude intro. Welcome guys, it's Hotpat and Cooldude. Hotpat and Cooldude intro. Welcome guys, it's Hotpat and Cooldude. Yeah, pause that shit. Yeah, welcome guys, it's Hot motherfucking Pat right here.
And Cool motherfucking Dude.
Yeah, and today we're gonna roast some fucking kids, man. They're fucking idiots, man.
Yeah, we're gonna grill them, dude.
Fucking homos. They fucking think they're making a fucking 3D intro.
Yeah, but it's not 3D. It's not even 2D, man. It sucks.
Worst thing I've ever seen today, actually. It fucking sucks. And got the cigarettes ready. Got booze.
Let's go. Let's pick up some chicks.
Yeah.
Snort some coke, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man.
Yeah.
Right on. Okay, let's do this shit.
Yeah, hello guys, it's Gamer Guy here.
Okay, stop here. Right off the bat, who the fuck calls himself Gamer Guy?
Yeah, man, that's what I was thinking, man. Like Cooldude or Hotpat.
Yeah, that's some OG names. That's some real ass names.
Yeah.
This motherfucker real ass pussies. That's what I'm talking about. you know how we roll. Smoking the pot every day. That's how we roll, man. Okay, let's keep this shit going.
Let's keep it going, boy.
We got a special guest today.
Yeah, Sushi Boys 1998 643.
Okay. That's the worst thing I ever heard, man.
Yeah, who the fuck has like
10 numbers in his name? You should have maximum 5. Yeah.
No. that's what I'm a fun guy. That's why I'm like farting in the microphone and shit like that.
Not like these homos.
You know how we roll. That's how we do it.
Yeah, man.
Let's keep this shit going.
It's like sushi in here. Okay, let's
Yeah.
go.
Right on.
He sounds like Walter Jr., man, from Breaking Bad. Like a fucking homo, man.
That's a real homo. Probably likes cock in his fucking ass. That's
a real homosexual, man.
Ah, fucking shit, man.
This movie makes food and stuff, so you have to buy those expensive programs.
Stop right there. Movie maker for a fucking 3D intro. Like what the actual fucking
Are you thinking with your cock, man? You should use at
That's
least...
what I do. I like fucking bitches. I like to think with my cock. There's nothing wrong with that. Fuck you, man.
Sorry, man. I think with my balls.
I have no comment with that, you fucking homo. Let's fucking keep this shit going.
Okay, this is the worst thing I've ever heard. They can't even name good programs, man.
Yeah.
We're using Vegas Pro
Fucking
right here.
Yeah.
We got these transitions and stuff.
You saw our intro. You saw a fucking intro. That's no fucking joke.
No, that's the real deal.
You got me? You got me, homeboy?
I do, man.
Hypercam and stuff like that.
I gotta give it to him though. Hypercam is pretty decent. It's a pretty goddamn good program.
That's what we're using right now, by the way.
I don't know what that is, but
And it's fucking registered. We fucking paid for that shit.
Yeah.
I don't see the fucking shit up in the corner.
We have the money, boy. The money.
I'll show you the fucking money. We're real about this shit, man. Got them fucking 50
Let's
euro
go. We got them cigarettes, boy.
Get them smoking up, boy. That's what we do.
I got this in Iraq, boy. Fucking slayed 10 guys for this one, boy.
Let's keep this shit rolling.
it says that most videos are muted up in the corner hypercab too. I think it's very expensive, I don't know. But this is for free already.
Yeah, it's pretty fucking expensive, man.
With the computer,
It's really expensive, that's what we're talking about.
if you buy a computer at Walmart that has
You can't speak at the same time. We never do that, man. Yeah,
Never.
no.
That's never what the fucking nigger ass do.
Windows XP, you get free movie maker, so yeah.
Fuck buys Windows XP, man.
Yeah,
It's fucking 2015, man.
yeah, it's 2002.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Fucking 2000 nigga ass pussy, that's what I'm talking about.
No shit, boy.
So, this is how it's gonna look.
It's not even good, it's like a guide. Like,
It's like decent, but it's not like you can make a tutorial on
yeah,
it, man.
what the fuck?
Like,
And what's this? It's not even 3D. What?
that's what I'm saying, man.
Yeah.
I like Google Drive, it's one of our best sellers. We're gonna make, you gotta understand, we make some money doing this because we're really good at what we're doing, so we're professionals. We're not such noobs as you are, or the other ones from tutorials where the real shits.
Okay, that's bullshit, man. We've been doing this for 6 years, and we've never even heard of you, gamer guy. Not sushi guy, boy, or whatever. Fucking whore.
Bullshit.
Yeah.
We're the ones, we're putting in the work. We're doing this for real, man. We've been putting in hours in this shit. You can fucking see it. It looks so easy what we do. This shit, it's not even good. It's not even fucking good. It's not even good. Fucking hell.
You guys upset me, man. You make me sick.
It's like kids like this. It's fucking ruining the YouTube community. You know? It's not
Yeah.
like real people out there. Like,
Fucking man, boy.
yeah, that's the guy I like. Man boy, that's a guy. And
Yeah, that's about it. Let's keep it going.
yeah.
Boy!
First up, you gotta import your photo.
And it has to be,
You could hear it was trying to say shit at first, and then it said photo. Like, he doesn't even dare to say shit. What is he, a fucking kid? Just say shit, man.
and it has to be an unhappy man.
It has
It
to be
has to be an unhappy man. Are they sadistic, man? Is this a joke?
I think so. It's gotta be a joke or something. I
Yeah.
don't fucking know.
This is just too bad, man. You can't spend a couple hours on this.
Shit!
And it has to be an unhappy man. No, it doesn't have to, but it's just
Oh, okay, it was a joke, man.
Oh, it's a fucking
we got
joke.
scammed.
Yeah.
We're fucking reporting you for that.
Yeah, seriously, you can get reported for that. We've been doing this 6 years, man. You can fucking see this shit on YouTube. You can report shit. You fucking get fucking banned from this shit, man.
Yeah.
It's fucking real, though.
a joke, but we haven't, because they're so cool, you know, when you
Yeah, they have to be called Linus, cause that's zero.
Linus, that's a good cool name, actually.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Yeah, what is Linus, man? I've never heard that in my life.
What's that? Is that like gay guy?
Yeah.
Is that what it's about? Is the fucking gay guy?
The homo.
Fucking
When you get this picture, you will add some text here, and you can write something on your keyboard.
Okay, he does have a pretty good technique here, man. That's pretty much what we used.
yeah.
but still he doesn't explain it too good or anything like that, man. He was probably drunk, man, like I am. Let's get this
Fucking party
started, man. Oh shit, I drank at least 10 shots there, man.
That's crazy, nigga.
Look, man, not much left.
That's crazy.
Oh, no cigs left either.
Fuck them all up. We didn't even fucking see them. That's how fucking fast we smoke them up. Fucking cool.
And don't write too fast because it can be wrong. You have to do it right, you know.
Because in the movie maker you can't erase something.
Okay, that's
total bullshit.
Fucking bullshit.
Total bullshit. I like a race like 10 words.
Yeah, at least. We have personal experience. You can sit there and lie to us, man. I'm starting to get a bit offended. What about you?
Yeah, I actually have to go take a shit. Be right back. You can keep doing the count.
Okay.
Shit.
Once on the internet, always on the internet. You know what I'm saying?
That's true, man. I'm actually liking this kid, guy boy. He's got some cool stuff to say. I'm agreeing a lot.
I'm sure your parents told you that too. You can't remove anything from the internet. So we're professionals, we know what we're doing, you know. We're administrators of the whole internet, you know.
So, you gotta... My name is Gamer Kid.
No gamer guy.
Okay, what a retard, man. He doesn't even know his name. Oh, I'll never forget Cooldude, man. Even when I'm 80 in the old home, man.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
Did someone take a shit or something? What was that? I have to hear it again.
Gamer Kid.
No gamer guy.
Yeah, that's definitely a shit.
Typing and sushi boy 19. All those numbers, you know.
He can't even remember his numbers, man. What a queer. What are those zooms exactly? Looks like crap. Need some coke for that, boy.
Sushi man.
Sushi king. It's sushi boy. Sushi boy.
I'm sorry, man.
You suck.
Okay, they're getting upset right here, and I can understand sushi, but you cannot forget your companion's name. That's the number one rule.
Let me.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's what she said. Yeah, by the way, guys,
Welcome back, man.
Thanks. I actually had to take a shit. Sorry, guys. My stomach gets pretty fucked up when I see the fucking stupid shit like this. I get fucking nervous, man.
You have to hear this fart, by the way.
Sushi boy.
I'm sorry, man.
Sushi boy.
I feel
Sushi boy.
I'm sorry, man.
You suck. You should let me.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's what she said.
What a nerdy laugh, man.
When that joke, like that's what she said. That's like so 2012. Like
Shit,
say
man.
that shit anymore.
The Harambe is the real thing now.
Yeah, the Harambe.
What are those?
Yeah.
Oh, Daniel with the right van. Oh.
Catch me outside. How about that, my nigga? How about that? Yeah.
Yeah, by the way, guys, I did all quests
This is so stupid. Why is it talking about? No, what's it talking about right now?
today on RuneScape. And I made the...
He's saying he's done all quests on RuneScape today. Like, that's not even fucking. You know how many quests there are on RuneScape?
Yeah, like 200 more, man.
Yeah, you can't fucking do them all in a day.
No, it would take at least a year, man.
Yeah.
Over the last 5 years, I made 60 million on picking bananas. Correct.
How's that about a good money-making method on RuneScape? Like, 60 million, that's not a lot for 5 years. And picking bananas...
Are you for real?
Is this guy a fucking... guy?
Manmoy has a better...
Manmoy, he told us, like, go fucking to the Grand Exchange
and eat.
That's pretty much about fucking it, you know? Let's keep this.
Yeah. I reached 70 Slayer.
Oh, that's quite nice.
Yeah,
And
nice though.
those,
But it's still a fag.
so I'm
That's true.
working on a new calculator in Minecraft that can calculate 1 plus 1, you know.
Nice.
And we're also gonna do a RuneScape music video.
Yeah, we're gonna...
Does that even have anything to do with the 3D intro?
Yeah, man, like keep it professional.
Yeah.
Don't talk about your life story.
Yeah.
This shit.
Man, we've been doing this 6 years, man. We know this shit, man.
7 years soon.
Yeah. And I don't like black people. So, just gonna say that.
Just putting it out there.
I'm kidding. All my boys are black, you know.
Especially me.
Chilling in the hood. Yeah, you can see there's a pretty black guy right here. Yeah, it's pretty much my fucking it.
mad for about 2 years.
Movie maker, of course.
Yeah, best program around, and it's
That's bullshit, man.
But that's not even the best program.
Oh.
How can it be the best program? Like in Vegas Pro 2009.
Holy shit.
That's shit in tongue, man.
gonna be a slow song. We're not spoiling yet. What song's gonna be? It's gonna be very sad.
Be hero.
That's bullshit, man. We've already used that song in our video.
Yeah.
Fucking homos, you can't use... We're gonna send a copyright strike to your channels.
Yeah.
Fucking whores.
Yeah. That's what we're gonna do.
All you should tell them, Steve.
I need a hero.
We like those,
Very bad singing.
Not even good singing. I can show you some good singing. I need a hero to save me now. I need a hero to save me now. That's good singing. We've been practicing this shit.
At least 8 years now, man.
Yeah.
You guys suck your
High
ass.
five, man. We've been singing boys.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Let's do this.
emotional songs, you know, because we're very emotional people. And of course we're very professional in what we're doing, so... You should have seen me. Yesterday, I was in Walmart, and there was McDonald's, and there was this kid.
That's a good story.
He didn't even eat all his fries.
That's pretty standard.
Yeah, that's pretty standard, man. We don't eat over fat.
I mean,
Fat.
No, we're rich, we can leave them if we want.
Yeah.
it's back in 2011, what the hell?
It's not 2011, it's 2055.
Yeah, man,
Shit,
kill yourself, man. It's 2005.
Yeah, nigga.
I didn't hear what you said. What they say?
It's freaking 2011.
Yeah.
Wait. It's still not 2011, it's 2019.
Yeah, man. It's 20 ago.
That's what I'm about, boy.
Yeah, man. What is this soon, man? You can't even see.
Yeah, what is wrong?
Yeah, so if you wanna know, my real name is Jason, and
My name is Josh, man. No, Ryan.
Name is Josh.
My name's Bowing Down.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a reaction the girls give me. My name is fucking rap boy.
yeah, boy.
exactly what I was going to say.
Actually, I want to tell you, I've been working on my yeah boy.
Yeah, I wanna hear it.
I can do a pretty long yeah boy. Yeah boy. Yeah.
That is top 5 in the world.
How about that, niggas?
Practice some more, you will get in the book of the Guinness,
Yeah, thanks, man. Yes.
the record
Yeah, the
book.
yeah.
Yeah,
I heard this from you.
Pretty good. They're not as good as me. And I'm pretty good at this new dab thing. I can do it pretty good.
yeah, that's,
Is it good? I'm pretty good.
yeah, I say it's 9 out of 10 if you get it. Okay, now it's a 10 out of 10.
That was the part of it. That was the part of the dab. You get it?
That's how I dab.
That's a pretty good one as well.
This is how I nay.
Oh yeah. That's pretty good. Actually, that's how I actually fuck all the guys. No, the girls, all the girls. I'm
Yeah,
gay. I'm not fucking gay.
Straight, I'm gay.
Guides.
That was pretty sexy, man. Oh, I'm straight, by the way.
Oh, actually, I have a gag reflex. Sorry, I don't suck cock every day.
And I was eating a piece of bread.
That's beefing me up.